I put up a mood. Then he said, "You never view of him."
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Daily Updates. My name is Mr. Alright, and you're watching Fresh Studios. Today we have a very sad news on our tables, and indeed, this news is very sad, Charlie. When you go to a town called Awaso in the Western North region, a very sad news happened some few days ago. What actually happened was that there was a very heavy downpour. Yes, a very heavy downpour. It rained really heavy, and there was lightning and thunderstorms and all that. And you see, as kids always love to play in the rain. You will testify, oh yeah, I no jari unsum. Tibrains yeah, I no jari rain go away. Yeah, kids love to play in the rain. And so to no jari all those stuffs. They love to do that. So on this very day, what actually happened was there was this very heavy rain, and there were 5 kids actually, 5 kids who were playing football in the rain at that moment. So they went to stand under this tree while it was raining, playing football, and then unfortunately they were struck by lightning. And what this happened is very sad, because even the lizards on the tree were also struck by lightning. They all died.
Then he said, "You never view of him."
Yes. The lizards and kutre no mudi agro dua no so no ye omugina trying to strike omugina. But the fact is 4 out of the 5 children couldn't make it. And it's very sad. 4 out of 5 children struck by lightning couldn't make it. Let's take the details of this occurrence from this woman who was actually an eyewitness.
Today we are so much engina if you be as well. If I'm on one doors, your obeti has some like motion proof. Like I'm for that 5 in the car. And I said, you're more young. Where is it? Yenja or Monasunia in the coffee. Then we are say, I should like team. You put it in Penifun and you, Johnny. Actually, me too many, and who say, after them say rough now, more yede or more ye. My friend sister back. All young Qualan was a young mugu. Eh, let me tell Mr. Bakwati, Madam. Now, don't a good year, I see. Play a shall call. A friend narrow. A Dumika call a being Qualan, nearly more, mamma. Today I say, you don't call Grandma, me fee, never conform, say, yes, but you're quite a minute about who I'm a pigeon in the gear. No, who say, or to now, honestly, see, on it in a way. And 9
So this is what the woman said. And Uze and Crady as for a crow. Yeah, you know, as a kid, don't blame the woman. I wouldn't actually like it when people go after the parents and say they are careless and all that. You see, when we were kids, your parents will try as much as possible to prevent you from doing it, while you two will try your possible best to do it without them even knowing, and you will do it. Yes, and your money agent so to a bobo fun entertaining ebida. And this unfortunate occurrence happened to them.
First, we put no moppy, bound papa show, it is a sense of no much of them. It's and one day, and I'm no. And she nears are not, the question is yellow. Now I'm catching myself, Miss Shedder. Now small boy, you swab or Mohana put taboo. And I'm catching yellow, not small boy. I chew on the bone, a horse or more probable. No, I'm Shedder, my home, tea. It's only turning in, and I'm in so much of them. Salamu alaikum, misheda ho ana etia mu friends e. Bala bia yo mo na good class.
David obi o fi sen, what do you say? No. Even the Yao being David of
Papa ni din yawo
the Indian, but on Bang the Mimidian only. You go ban the school.
What you feel saying?
Okay, this is what the man said. Actually, look, the man is pained. He's actually pained. Very sad. Very sad. And say in suo tona and crazy a grown now monam in suo me kobobo NMDS and that tender a strike you mo. Utumu say, I know a thing. Actually, I haven't actually witnessed something like this before. They be omoka. And I think some few weeks ago, we heard the news that a police officer was also speaking to his girlfriend over the phone around Cape Coast or in the Cape Coast town, and then he was struck by lightning while it was raining. So please, let's all be careful. Yes, some things are real. Nature, don't mess with nature. Don't play with nature. So guys, this is where we end today's episode. This is the sad news we had for you today. My name is Mr. Alright and I'm watching the daily updates. Make sure you share this video to your friends, subscribe so that we all learn from past mistakes and have a better life.